Hey guys, gonna do this for Matt. Got a million things to do this morning, but I'm leaving town for 3 days, so I gotta get stuff done. 1 through 7, good luck. Let's get started here. Let's see, I got a spreadsheet open before I start. Knock that down. Let's see, move that up. So I should be a little bit more prepared. Alright, let's go ahead and start. $4.16. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to the proof. There we go, random.org. Refresh, security, details, view the certificate. One more refresh. 1 through 7, good luck, and the winner is number 4. Lucky number 4 at 4 a.m. 4:17 actually, and number 4. Alright, 4 is Dustin Marks. Congratulations, Dustin. You are the winner. Here's your winning final timestamp. 4:17. Thanks, everybody.